With our industry blowing up like it has in the last couple of years, people are recreating different. People don't want to necessarily camp in campgrounds, but a lot of people have had to because of their power demand. Lithium and these systems offer just so much more versatility to get out into the rugged outdoors and not be stuck in a campground.
You know, we've seen record sales of RVs in the marketplace, and what we're really trying to do is we're trying to make sure that even though we're having record sales, that we're having satisfied customers out in the market. And we really feel like solar and lithium are gonna give a huge benefit to those folks. When you go to lithium, you get a full discharge out of that battery. So you get almost twice the performance out of a lithium battery than you do a lead acid battery. It charges much quicker. It's just a better performing system. Lead acid battery is kind of a thing of the past.
You know, a lot of manufacturers offer a solar option. Keystone doesn't offer a solar option. They offer a phenomenal program of solar options that we can expand at the dealership in a lot of ways, and different packages you can put together on depending on the brand.
These lithium batteries are going to come installed from us, the manufacturer, on the RV in a secure lockbox, and neither the dealer nor the customer ever has to take them off the coach for any reason. It makes camping so much easier. And then the fact that you're going to get all of your useful power out of those lithium batteries is just going to enable you to run everything in your coach. I mean, anybody who's RV'd for a little bit has seen when lights start to dim or slide outs start to run a little bit more slowly, and these lithium batteries are just going to provide an overall better camping experience.
What our biggest concern is in the industry, even though we've had record sales, is we want to make sure we retain these folks by giving them an end product that's going to perform well and making sure that coach is going to get serviced and get them back out on the road. I mean, that's truly what we're trying to do as a company, is minimize the amount of time it's in for service and maximize the amount of time they're able to enjoy it out in the marketplace.
We can overstate how big of a deal SolarFlex is, and then especially combined with Dragonfly batteries. I really truly believe this is the right thing for the consumer. I think our customers are going to be much happier and have so much better experience, and that's really what it's all about.